In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix a Facebook business page not showing in search. Start by opening facebook.com while you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once Facebook loads, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page before making any changes. After you are on the business page, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This will take you to the page where Facebook keeps your page visibility and audience controls. On the Settings page, find the section called Audience and Visibility. Inside that section, click How People Find and Contact You. This area contains important options that affect whether people can discover your page in Facebook and outside of Facebook. Now look for the setting called Allow Search Engines outside of Facebook to link to your page. This setting is very important because it gives external search engines permission to index your page and show it in search results. If this option is turned off, your Facebook business page may not appear when people search for it on platforms like Google or other search engines. Make sure this setting is turned on. Once that is enabled, go back to the left-hand menu and click Followers and Public Content. This section controls how your content and page are shown to the public, including location-based restrictions that can limit who is able to find your page. In this section, find Country Restrictions and click Edit. Review the countries listed here carefully. If any countries are restricted, people in those locations may not be able to view or discover your page in search. To make your page visible to the widest possible audience, verify that no countries are restricted unless you intentionally want to block access in specific regions. By reviewing those settings, make sure everything is saved if Facebook prompts you to confirm any changes. At this point, your page should be properly configured so that search engines can link to it and location restrictions are not preventing people from finding it. By review on audit filters. These two settings are often the main reasons a Facebook business page does not appear in search results. Enabling search engine access and removing unnecessary country restrictions can improve your page visibility and make it easier for the right audience to find your business online.
Thanks for watching.
That covers everything you need to know.